If you've ever wanted to earn affiliate commissions online but didn't know where to start, affiliate webinars could be the easiest way to begin. Webinars are one of the most powerful tools for selling online because they build trust, educate your audience, and convert at incredibly high rates. But here's the good news: you don't need to host one yourself to make money. With John Turnhill's webinar profit engine, everything is already done for you. You get access to a complete automated webinar funnel, 99 days of email follow ups, high converting offers, and even beginner friendly traffic training. All the sales, follow ups, and product delivery are handled automatically. Your only job? Drive people to the webinar link, and the system does the rest. Even better, you can start without your own product, audience, or experience. This is one of the simplest ways to start earning affiliate commissions online fast. Click the link below to get access to the webinar profit engine and start earning from affiliate webinars today.